Hey there, are you excited to start your trading journey? Awesome. The great thing is you have the freedom to dive into any financial market that catches your eye. Whether you're into Forex, crypto, or stocks markets, the choice is all yours. And the best part, you can pick the perfect trading pair that matches your unique style and goals. But that's not all. The strategy works wonders on any chart and time frame. You can go for quick trade on the 1 minute chart or take your time with daily charts. For the best results, try it out on the 5 or 15 minute charts. They offer a great balance of fast-paced action and precision. But be sure to stick around until the end of the video. I've included a special note that's incredibly important for mastering this strategy. You won't want to miss this valuable piece of information, as it can significantly impact your success when applying these trading techniques. So stay tuned and keep an eye out for that key tip. Now let's focus on adding the impressive OBV MACD indicator to your trading toolkit. This unique indicator combines the strengths of unbalanced volume or OBV and the moving average convergence divergence or MACD into one powerful tool, offering valuable insights into market momentum and volume. The OBV component measures the buying and selling pressure by comparing the volume on and down on up and down days, while the MACD aspects calculates the difference between two moving averages to identify trend direction and strength. Together, they offer a comprehensive view of the market's movements. To get started, head over to the indicator section on the top of the screen and click on it. A window will open. This is where the magic unfolds. In the search bar, type OBV MACD indicator. Once you find it in the results, simply click on it to add it to your chart. Now that we've successfully added the OBV MACD indicator to our chart, let's make a few adjustments in the settings to optimize its performance for our strategy. In the settings window, navigate to the Inputs tab. First, we'll keep the OBV length and type at their default settings, as they work well for our purposes. However, we'll tweak the MA length and set it to 7. These adjustments will help us capture short-term trends more effectively. Next, focus on the MACD slow length option. By changing this value to 45, will allow the indicator to analyze longer-term market movements, providing a broader perspective on the overall trend. To ensure we receive clear buy and sell signals from the indicator, it's essential to enable the show signal option. This feature will provide us with visual cues, making it easier to identify potential trading opportunities. As for the period value, there's no need to make any changes, as the default setting is suitable for our strategy. Finally, to improve the indicator visibility on the chart, head to the Style section and feel free to experiment with various settings. By adjusting the colors, line thickness, and other visual aspects, you can make the indicator stand out and suit your personal performance, just like I'm doing here. The OBV MACD indicator is super useful for our strategy because it helps us figure out when to buy and sell. The key is to watch for changes in the line color. When the line switches from white to red, it signals to sell. This tells us it might be a good time to consider entering a short position. On the other hand, when the line changes from red to white, it's a buy signal, suggesting we might want to go for a long position. These signals are shown with white and red plus signs on the indicator, making it easy to spot them, especially for new traders. To show you how this works, when the buy and sell signals pop up, you can draw a vertical line on the chart to find the signal candle and decide when to enter the trade. But remember, while this buy-sell signal is great at giving us info, no indicator is perfect. So, to make our strategy stronger, we should add another indicator to confirm the signals. We'll use the MACD indicator for this. By going to the indicator section and adding MACD to our chart, we'll have more info to double check the signals from our main indicator. When the OBV MACD indicator gives us a buy signal, we need to find the right moment to enter the trade. We can do this by drawing a vertical line on the chart to spot the signal candle. But before we dive in, let's make sure the market has some bullish momentum. That's where the MACD indicator comes in handy. We'll check if it shows a green column or green area depending on your settings, which indicates a positive moment, just what we need for a buy trade. Once we see that green signal from the MACD, we can confidently open a long trade. However, it's essential to protect our investment by setting a stop loss, just in case things don't go as expected. We'll place the stop loss a little bit below the recent swing low to keep our potential losses small. To exit the trade with a profit, we can calculate the take profit level. By setting it at twice the risk of the trade, we aim for a decent reward while managing our risk. With our customized MACD indicator as a confirmation, we can effectively filter out counter-trend signals. For example, if there's a sell signal during an uptrend identified by the MACD, we know it's best to ignore it since it goes against the current market direction. This way, our adjusted MACD helps us focus on higher probability trades that align with the trend. And when the OBV MACD indicator gives a sell signal, locate the signal candle by drawing a vertical line. Check the MACD for a red column or area indicating bearish momentum. Once confirmed, open a short trade. Protect your trade by setting a stop loss just above the recent swing high. Calculate the take profit level at twice the trade's risk for a solid reward while managing risk. Looking at the downtrend signal by the MACD area being below the zero level, we can easily identify and filter out any buy signal that may appear during this trend. Here's the final tip, folks. Remember, when the MACD indicator's white area hovers around the zero level, it's best to avoid trading during this time in the market. This is because the market is likely experiencing a period of indecision or consolidation, which can lead to unpredictable price movements. So, whether the white area is slightly above or below the zero line, consider holding off on entering trades until the MACD indicator provides a clearer signal.